The McBrayne name, derived from the Gaelic phrase meaning son of the judge, traces its roots back to the ancient Celtic society of Scotland. In those times, the brieve or frehon held the esteemed position of a judge, trained in the oral customary laws of the Celts. Their judgments and wisdom were highly regarded, but as the system became hereditary, the concentration of power led to biases and inequalities. Eugenius Macgrahin, listed as a student at the University of St Andrews in 1525, provides early evidence of the McBrayne name. This suggests that the clan's presence in academia and society predates its more well-known accomplishments. The McBrayne family faced trials and tribulations throughout the centuries. In 1685, Duncan and Archibald Mcbrain were denounced as rebels in Argyllshire, highlighting their involvement in the political and social landscape of the time. However, adversity did not dampen the spirit of the clan, and they continued to prosper. Archibald Mcbrain, who died in 1760, played a pivotal role in the family's story. He acquired the estates of McNaughton of that ilk, merging the histories and heraldry of the two families. His son, Donald, further enhanced the McBrayne legacy by quartering the McBrayne lions with the arms of McNaughton, symbolizing unity and strength. While the McBrayne family's historical significance is notable, their name is perhaps most recognized today for their pioneering role in transportation. The McBrayne shipping lines emerged as a lifeline for the Western Isles, connecting the remote islands and bridging the gap between communities. The shipping company, established in the 1850s by David McBrayne, played an instrumental role in preventing complete isolation of the islands. McBrayne's vessels became synonymous with reliability and perseverance, navigating the treacherous waters with skill and dedication. Without the McBrayne shipping lines, the Western Isles would have remained isolated, cut off from the rest of Scotland. The McBrayne shipping lines have left an enduring legacy that extends far beyond transportation. They have become a symbol of resilience, unity, and progress. The islands owe a debt of gratitude to the McBraynes for their unwavering commitment to connecting communities and fostering economic and social growth.